Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on CANDIDE AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in candide.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CANDIDE AI website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and then you will find the sign up button underneath the login button. Go ahead and click on sign up and now you have two different options. You can sign up with your Google account for a shortcut or enter your email address and click on the sign up button. You can choose either one of these options and now you will be asked to select between personal and professional use. Choose the appropriate option and click on the next button and then you will be allowed to create a password for your account. After your password has been created, you will be signed up and now you can use your email address and your password to log into your account or directly click on Login with Google to proceed with logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on CANDIDE AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.